Good morning, students. Today we start our first chapter of the first book, Honeydew. Before you read, there are some dates and periods of time in the history of the world. They are so significant that everyone knows and remembers them. Students, the story you will read mentions such dates and events. A war between British and German in 1914. And which war? First World War. Okay. Before we read this chapter, let's go through some characters of this chapter. First chapter is Jim McPherson. Jim McPherson was the leader of the British Army. And the second character is Connie McPherson. Connie McPherson is Jim's wife and she loves her husband very much. And third character is Hans Wolf. Hans Wolf was the captain of the army and he was friendly by nature. I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport, a roll-top desk. Spotted means saw it or found it. The man said it was early 19th century and oak. I had wanted one but they were so expensive. This one was in a bad condition, the roll top in several pieces. One leg clumsily mended. Scorch marks means burn marks, chale hue. All down one side. It was going for a very little money. I thought I could restore it. Restore means repair. It would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. I have the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. I began to work on it on Christmas Eve. uh, I stands for author. Okay. He saw a roll top desk in a junk shop. The man told me that the person who is the owner of that junk shop, the man who told me that it was early of 19th century and made of oak. He wanted that, but that desk was too expensive. The author wanted that desk. तब वो जो ऑथर होता है वो बोलता है कि ये जो डेस्क था मुझे लगा कि ये बड़ी बुरी कंडीशन में है और इसकी जो एक टांग है बड़े भद्दे तरीके से मरम्मत की हुई है, हो सकता है इसका जो प्राइस है कम हो और मैं इसको ले लूँगा, बट उसका प्राइस क्या था, बहुत ज़्यादा था. सो ही थॉट दैट इट वॉज ऑफ लिटिल वैल्यू बट इट एंड रीस्टोर इट. वो इसकी मरम्मत कर लेगा. ही बाउट दैट डेस्क एंड brought it back to workroom and began to work on it on Christmas Eve. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. The veneer means a thin layer of plastic and decorative wood on the furniture of cheap wood. हम जो वुड के ऊपर किसी भी चीज़ के ऊपर जो पतली परत लगाई होती है ना, हम अपनी लैंग्वेज उसको पलाई बोलते हैं उसको. Had lifted almost everywhere. It looked like water damage to me. Both fire and water clear taken their roll on. Taken their roll on means damage, khatam kar dena. On this desk, the last drawer was stuck fast. Stuck means shut tight. बहुत बुरे तरीके से फंसा हुआ था. I tried all I could to ease it out gently in my fist. In the end, I used brute force. I struck it sharply with the side of my fist and drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath. A secret drawer. Underneath means under, below. There was something in there. I reached in and took out a small black tin box, sellotaped to the top. It was pieces of lined notepaper and written on it in shaky handwriting, Jim's last letter, received January 20, 1915, to be buried with me when the time comes. I knew as I did it that it was wrong of me to open the box, but curiosity got the better of scruples. It usually does. Feeling that make you hesitate to do something रॉन्ग, मतलब जो आपकी भावनाएं होती हैं जो गलत काम करने से रुकती हैं उसको बोलते हैं. इनसाइड द बॉक्स देयर वॉज एन envelope. द एड्रेस रीड मिस्टर जिम मैकफर्सन, 12 कॉपर बीचेस, ब्राइट पॉच, Dorset. I took out the letter and unfolded it. It was written in pencil and dated at the top. December 26, 1914. Then he removed he means author, the author removed the roll top completely and pulled out drawers. बट उसमें से और उसके ऊपर जो पतली परत चढ़ी हुई थी वो क्या थी, ऊपर को उभरी हुई थी पानी की वजह से. बट फायर एंड वाटर डैमेज दिस, both fire and water damaged this. One drawer of this desk was badly struck and he pulled it with brute force. There was something in there. It was a small box wrapped with sellotape and written on small boxes and written on it. क्या लिखा हुआ था उसके ऊपर, क्या था, जेम्स लास्ट लेटर रिसीव जनवरी 25, 1950. तब नरेटर कहता है कि मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि मुझे उस बॉक्स को खोलना नहीं चाहिए, पर जो मेरी क्रियोसिटी थी, जो मेरी उत्सुकता थी, उसने मुझे ये काम करने के लिए मजबूर कर दिया एनवेलप को खोलने के लिए. देन ही टुक आउट द लेटर एंड अनफोल्डेड. दिस लेटर वॉज रिटन इन पेंसिल एंड डेटेड December 26, 1914. Okay, this is your first part. Tomorrow, maybe Monday, we will do our second part. Read this chapter again and translate each line of this chapter. Okay.